Assalamu alaikum, I'm Shalja, a software engineer. I embraced Islam at the time of my marriage. I just have only one question which relates to humanity. Our topic is about peace to humanity. Does Islam or in anywhere in Quran is it specified about the organ donation? If it is so, is it allowed or like why is the reason that it is not allowed? So as I heard from some of my friends.
Just the question that is there, and he mentioned in the Quran that organ donation can be done or not. There's no verse in the Quran or any authentic hadith where organ transplantation, organ donation can be done or cannot done. But all the scholars have got together, and there are several conferences taking place in Makkah, in Riyadh, in Malaysia, and the scholars unanimously agree that organ donation and organ transplantation can be done if three criteria are fulfilled. Number one, the person donating the organ, it should not cause a major loss to his health. I can't give my heart. If I donate my heart, I will die. But doctors say that I've got two kidneys, one kidney is sufficient, and if my mother, both the kidneys have failed, I can give a kidney to her, even she will survive, and even I will survive. So point number one, the person donating the organ should not cause a major loss to his health. Point number two, the person receiving the organ should be a major benefit for his health. Point number three, it should not be for money, for economic reasons. Person can't sell his kidney. So if these three things are fulfilled, the scholars say, under these conditions, organ donation can be done, organ transplantation can be done. Hope that answers the question.